We learned the standard math and also advanced math, and for this video we're going to learn how to use mechanical math. It's called screw math. Okay, go to the chapter 3 maths folder and double click screw math folder. You should have assembly. It's called a screw math. I want to double click this to open screw math in SolidWorks. And click review. Okay, you will notice this is typically used for mechanical engineering to hold a part in place. So typically, if you rotate this rod and this screw rod will drop this part block and back and forth. Now, how can we put this one into this hole and make sure when I rotate this bar, it functions like a screw? So push this back and forth. Okay, and let's go click math. And I want to go to mechanical maths and click screw. And if you have anything here, I want to right click and click selection. Now we need to select the outside surface of this screw rod and click inside surface of this hole. Okay, click this green check a couple times. Okay, we have finished this and finished this screw math. And if I rotate this, you will notice that when I rotate this bar, actually it's moving forward and this block is moving, but it's a bit slow. You cannot see that clearly. What we can do that is, I want to go to look at this left column and let's click maths. And if you scroll to the bottom, you will notice that is the screw math we just created. And click this one, click edit feature. Okay, this is the feature we just created. And for this one, I want to click distance per revolution. I'm going to choose 5. So I rotated one revolution, it move 5 millimeter. Okay, then click OK. Click OK one more time. Now that is, if I rotate this rod, click this one, I rotate this rod, and this block move forward really quickly. Okay, so that is as it's supposed to do. Okay, but there is a problem. See, it's about to hit the end panel, but it still keep going. So that is no good, right? And now if I rotate it back, it's coming back. Yeah, it's coming back. That is good. But the problem that is, if I keep rotating, once it hit this end, it's still going. So we need to set some limitations, right? Probably you guessed. So we're going to use the limit math as well. I'm going to rotate this object a little bit. I'm going to keep this for now. So I'm going to click math and click advanced math, limit distance. Okay. Once again, that if you have anything over here, right click to select, to unselect anything. Now that is, click this space. I want to select this face and I want to rotate it so you can see this face, this interface. Okay, the distance, the minimum distance, let's keep 5 because maybe typically you do not want to hit the end point. So we're going to set this as 5 centimeter, and the largest one distance would be 70 centimeter. So it will stop at 5 and it stop at 70. Okay, once that is done, and I'm going to hit OK a couple times. Okay, now that is okay. Now I'm going to rotate this rod. Click rotate this rod. You want to rotate for me? What's going on? All right, I don't know why it won't rotate for me. Okay, okay. I'm going to rotate this. Okay, this is where I'm going to back off. Let's rotate it forward. You need to play with it, and my computer is a little bit slow as well, so that's probably part of the reason. Okay, once it is about 5 millimeter, so I cannot rotate it anymore. Let's hit 5 millimeter. Now I can rotate it back. It allows it to rotate better backwards, and once it hit the 70 millimeter, it is stop as well. Okay, I'm going to rotate this. Okay, keep rotating. This is fun, right? This is like you're moving with the mechanical part. My computer is slow. I believe that's part of the reason. So you rotate it. I believe at a certain point it will stop. Okay, now that it is, I'm getting really close. Okay, now I cannot rotate it anymore because I have select 70, so it is stopped at 5 and stop at 70. So this is the way it should be. Okay, once it's done, you can save this file, save and review, and save this file, select all, and save as a ScrewMap. And after this, you can go ahead and use a pack and go to save this file. All right, and upload the zip file into D2L. See you in next video.